I see a canary in the flowers. Somebody just escaped. What are you doing? He's like, I want to be free. I think he smelled the food I was cooking and escaped. I'm tired of being in a cage, aren't you? It's gonna be fun to catch. It got a little heart right there. Hi, sweetie. Hi there, sweetie. What you doing out here? He's a little boy. Got a Chihuahua puppy for sale. If anybody's interested. He's a good singer. He sings like my phone. You can do the cricket sound. See his little heart? Okay. Okay, I gotta catch a little boy. It's gonna be fun. His wings are not clipped.